Good morning. Good morning. If you're watching this, you have earned the quarter one incentive. If you're in K through 5, you have perfect attendance. Or if you're in grade 6 through 8, you've earned honor or merit roll plus one award. So, what I need you to do is to check your email for your SugarWish gift. So, you want to go to Inside Clever, click on Office 365, which will open up your email. Once you're in, I want you to go to Outlook, click on Outlook. And then once you're inside at the top, I want you to type SugarWish. And once you do that, your SugarWish email will pop up showing you that you earned this SugarWish. So you're going to click on Choose My Favorites now. And once you're inside, you'll put in state you live in, and then you'll get to choose your favorites. So I'm so excited for you. Hurry quickly, check your email. Congratulations on your SugarWish for quarter one. Bye.